Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your bicycle saddle angle. First, understand that proper saddle angle is crucial for both comfort and pedaling efficiency. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll typically need an Allen wrench set, often a 5mm or 6mm size, and a spirit level. Always ensure your bike is held securely, perhaps in a work stand, to prevent any movement during the adjustment process. Next, locate the saddle clamp bolts, which are typically found underneath your saddle, often 1 or 2 bolts. Using your Allen wrench, loosen these bolts just enough so that the saddle can pivot up and down, but not so much that it's completely loose. Now, place a spirit level across the top of your saddle. This will help you establish a perfectly horizontal, neutral starting position, which is ideal for initial setup. Now, let's fine-tune the angle. Make very small adjustments, perhaps just 1 or 2 degrees at a time, and test the feel. Many riders find that a slight nose-down tilt, just a few degrees, helps relieve pressure on sensitive soft tissues, especially during longer rides. Conversely, some prefer a very slight nose-up angle for more support, but be cautious not to create discomfort or numbness. Listen to your body. Finally, once you've found an angle that feels comfortable, securely tighten the saddle clamp bolts. It's crucial that these are firm to prevent any movement while riding. Then, take your bike for a short test ride, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes, to assess the new angle. Pay close attention to how your body feels. If you experience any discomfort, return and make further small adjustments until you achieve optimal comfort and support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.